This time, I'm making a hot and sour ramen. A moderate amount of spicy food can improve blood circulation and help with cold sensitivity. You can easily make the soup using a chicken bouillon cube, so give it a try. I'm using chicken breast, but pork or ham works too. Cut it in half thickness, then slice into thin strips. Season the meat with sake, salt, pepper, egg, and cornstarch. The remaining egg will be used later. Soak the bamboo shoots in water to remove any unpleasant odor. Put the jiachuai in water and microwave for 80 seconds to get rid of extra salt and smell. After microwaving, drain the water right away. Slice the bell pepper into thin strips lengthwise. Soak a dried shiitake mushroom in water and place it in the fridge to rehydrate for 1 day. This method brings out a great aroma and umami, making the mushroom really tasty. Drain any excess water and remove the stems. Cut in half, then slice to about 1/8 inch thick. If you don't have much time, use a fresh shiitake mushroom instead. Heat a pan, add oil, and saute the chicken. If you can use chopsticks, use them to separate the meat. If you can't, use the edge of a spatula to break it apart. It doesn't need to be fully cooked. It will simmer later. Bring water to a boil and add the chicken bouillon. Use 1/2 cube for a mild taste or a 2/3 cube for a stronger flavor. Add the meat and vegetables to the soup and simmer. Normally, 1 bouillon cube is for 500 ml of water, but with soy sauce, seasoning sauce, and vinegar added, this amount is good. When it boils, add sake, soy sauce, sugar, and pepper. Add chili paste if you like it spicy. Mix the seasonings for the final touch. Using vinegar allows you to reduce the amount of salt. Mix potato starch or cornstarch with twice as much water. Turn off the heat once, then add the starch. Adding starch helps keep the soup hot for longer. Stir well, then turn the heat back on. Start boiling the noodles. use ramen noodles available at an Asian supermarket. Cooked for 4 minutes as directed on the package. When the soup boils, slowly pour the egg in thin streams. Use chopsticks or a fork to slowly stir side to side. If too much egg is added, wait 3 seconds, then use a fork to gently move it side to side. The key is to add the eggs slowly when the soup is just below boiling. Turn off the heat and add the finishing seasonings. Thoroughly drain the noodles and place them in bowls. Warm the bowls with hot water or use the oven's keep warm setting for hot ramen. This ramen is easy to make with chicken bouillon and is so delicious. The good thing about making your own ramen soup is that you can adjust the saltiness and spiciness to your liking. Garnish the top with red bell pepper to make it look more appetizing. Top with cilantro if you like. If there's leftover soup, add tofu or vermicelli and turn it into hot and sour soup. Thank you for watching.